Hey guys, your girl Cooking with Prissy is back. Yeah, I was feeling a little sniffly sinuses, so I decided to make some chicken soup. So I put 4 pieces of chicken leg with thigh. I removed the skin and I put 4. So now I'm gonna let them boil. I added one shot dill, my secret seasoning. So I added some of that. I added some chicken, powdered chicken bouillon flavoring to the water. And that's it. So I'm going to let the chicken cook till it's soft. Soft because it's the broth that we really want that's going to make this chicken taste so good. So yeah, I'm going to let the chicken get soft till it starts to fall off the bone. And then we'll be back with the next step.